Hello dosto, welcome to Gainography for daily market analysis and stock selection. Hope you had an exciting session today in the market, and I also believe that you are the best judge of your own money, so do your own analysis and don't trust the brokers. I like keeping my views and analysis brief and to the point, and my intent is not to do the brokerage over here for my business, but to guide and help in your analysis. So first we will discuss on the market condition along with Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, and then we will move on to analysis of few stocks which is going to give us profit in short and long term. Great. But before going there, प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल एंड बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना, क्योंकि इस चैनल में डेली पोस्ट रहता है मार्केट एनालिसिस के ऊपर एंड डेफिनेटली देयर आर फ्यू एनालिसिस बेस्ट प्रेडिक्शंस. सुपर. तो चलिए दोस्तों देखते हैं आज का मार्केट का स्टेटस. द सेंसेक्स वाज अप 477.5 पॉइंट्स and the Nifty was up by 138.3 points or 1.23% at 11,385. Predicted yesterday, we saw 5 consecutive doji and there was no sign of reversal in our candle analysis, so we can see a big green stick today. Mid cap and small cap indices added 1% each, so we will quickly look into the pivot point analysis. So currently the pivot point is at 11,219, but the market is trading at 11,385, which is above the R2 level, and we expect the market to reach the R3 level also, and the market will show its first support at 11,294. Coming into Bank Nifty, it got closed today at 22,170, and if we look into the pivot point analysis, we will see that the pivot point is at 21,671. So the Bank Nifty is also trading way higher than its pivot level. So currently it is hovering around resistance 2 level. Support will be at 21,939. Global markets has high opening yesterday, expecting US package announcement. So we can expect to see another doji tomorrow also, with the bull having control over the bears. Great. So friends, we will quickly look into some sector wise performance. Most of the sectors has done good today, but we can see a very good performance in industrial equipment sector, airlines, metal ferrous division and tea coffee. Dosto, we do this sector wise analysis as I strongly believe that having a portfolio diversified into different sectors is very important, and also to do that and doing the selection of stocks we use pivot point analysis. I am not going to explain the pivot point analysis or the candlestick analysis in this video, but I have the link in the video description. If you want to understand how those are done, you can refer them. So our first stock for the day is Praj Industries Limited, which is currently trading at 68.95 rupees. It is a process and project engineering company headquartered in Pune and also has office in South Africa, North America, Latin America and Caribbean, Thailand, Philippines, UAE. Currently it is trading above the pivot point and is hovering somewhere near the R2 resistance point, and we will expect this share to reach a market value of rupees 80 within a time of 50 days, and we'll set a stop loss at 67.10. Okay friends, let's look into our next stock, which is Brigade Enterprise Limited. It is one of the biggest construction companies and a flagship company of Brigade Group Limited. Both Praj Industries and Brigade is trading way below its 365-day moving average, and also there are signs of construction coming back into the market with the unlock phase going on. So Brigade Industries Limited is currently trading at rupees 151 rupees, and we expect it to reach 175 rupees, which is above the R3 resistance level within a span of 40 days. And obviously we will set the stop loss at rupees 149.80. Okay friends, that's all for today. Hope you have a great session tomorrow in the market. Keep watching Gainography. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and also like, share and comment.